Chairman, ladies and gentlemen, it's a proud privilege for me to basically transfer on as the reins of a very prestigious club from one leader to yet another leader. Rotary is known for its changing over leadership every year. Our leadership rolls on and on, changes its reins from the hands of one person to another person. And today I'm happy that we are having Lizeth, who is going to take over, and Harshad, who is going to take over as the secretary of our E-Club. It's a new concept over the last couple of years in Rotary International that we have got our E-Clubs. And I'm happy that this E-Club is associated and affiliated to RI District 3170. Friends, the Rotary International President's theme this year is Peace Through Service. And it's not going to be an easy task because we are touching on a subject which is undefinable. If at all we say, if there is no war, then does that establish peace? Certainly not. Then what is peace? We are going into an arena which is undefinable. And we want to achieve that through service. Ladies and gentlemen, is it something really possible for all of us? Yes, my dear friends. Rotary's existence over the last 100 and odd years, what has the Rotary movement given to the world today? Look at our Pulse Polio program. If it has not been dividing the world, it has been putting the whole world together. And that unity is what is the first concept towards establishment of peace. It's not only one program. We have got several programs to the Rotary Foundation. And one of the most popular programs that is being taken up by most of the clubs today is the matching grants. Somebody's heart bleeds somewhere else in the other part of the world, across the ocean, across a huge tract of lands. And they have been having the desire and a feeling that they should serve the community who is toiling through for their very comforts and necessities. And it is this propulsive force that helps them to contribute towards the matching grants projects. This association of a club across the ocean, across a large tract of land, two different nations, two different communities, two different religions, and maybe different caste and creed. We are all people who are bringing them together through service. Back again, the first component to establish peace. Second one, the very common denominator of Rotary International today is fellowship. And when we talk about fellowship, it's not just merely having a meal and having drinks together. For us, what fellowship means is that we have celebrations for people who excel well in their careers, maybe excel well in their business, or maybe they excel well in whatever they are trying to do, which brings about a positive change into our community and our society. Two, there are many people who have been striving very hard to thrive because of natural disasters and calamities that have put them into hardship. It is here where Rotary shows not only its responsibility, but its responsiveness. And it is this responsiveness that brings about the establishment of fellowship, and in turn, second component for the establishment of peace. This fellowship brings about the world understanding. It narrows down that gap that is there, however wide it may be. It narrows down that gap. And this narrowing down of the gap through fellowship is the second very important component for us to establish peace. 107 years of Rotary's existence. We have been doing very well in this regard. We have been working on these two very platforms to establish world peace. And today, I am privileged and honored to install a new president in Lizeth and her secretary, Harshad, who have been taking over from Rajesh as well as from Sandesh. Sandesh and Rajesh have done a wonderful job, and Lizeth is going to show us new milestones beyond where Sandeep has taken us. With this, I wish them all the very best. Good luck. My fairness, friend of wishes are with all of you. Thank you so much. Peace through service.